To begin making your nature journal, gather some supplies. You'll need markers or colored pencils, paper, scissors, a cereal box, rubber band, twig, and some device to make a hole like a screwdriver or a hole puncher. Cut your cereal box to make your journal cover. After you have cut your box, fold in half. Insert paper for pages. Make 2 holes on the spine of your journal. This will be used to thread rubber bands and attach your twig.
Once you've made your journal, you can keep your notes and sketches and record your observations. Some activities might ask you to record the things that you observe, and you can use your journal to do that.